vast golden deserts, hidden turquoise coves, and ancient citadels that have stood for 1,000 years. Welcome to Almeria. This isn't just a holiday destination, it's a landscape of extremes. Whether you're a film buff looking for the set of Indiana Jones, or a history lover wandering through whitewashed hilltop villages, this province has a soul unlike anywhere else in the Mediterranean. I've narrowed it down to the absolute best of the best. These are 7 things you have to see in Almeria, Spain. Number 7. Alcazaba of Almeria. Perched on a rugged hill overlooking the Mediterranean, the Alcazaba of Almeria is a massive sandstone fortress that feels like it belongs in an epic desert movie. This is one of the largest Moorish citadels in Spain, built over 1,000 years ago to protect what was once the kingdom's most important port. Walking through its 3 huge walled enclosures, you'll transition from lush, irrigated gardens and trickling fountains to the rugged ruins of the old royal residence. The golden stone walls offer some of the best views in Andalusia, overlooking the colorful cave houses of the Pescaderia district and the deep blue sea. Whether you're exploring the cool, dark dungeons or standing atop the Tower of Mirrors, the Alcazaba is a hauntingly beautiful reminder of Almeria's Islamic golden age. It's windswept, sun-soaked, and completely free to enter for EU citizens, making it the ultimate hidden gem of southern Spain. Number 6. Cabo de Gata-Níjar Natural Park. Sprawling across the southeastern corner of Spain, the Cabo de Gata-Níjar Natural Park is a wild, volcanic landscape that looks more like a desert film set than a typical European coastline. As Andalusia's largest protected coastal area, it's a place where jagged cliffs drop into some of the most pristine, crystal-clear waters in the Mediterranean. You'll find legendary spots like Playa de los Genoveses and the iconic Playa de Monsul, famous for their dark, volcanic sands and massive rock formations. The terrain here is almost alien, filled with fossilized dunes and salt flats where you can often spot migrating flamingos. Its raw, untouched beauty has even caught the eye of Hollywood, serving as a backdrop for classics like Indiana Jones. Whether you're exploring the whitewashed fishing villages or hiking through the arid hills, Cabo de Gata feels like a well-kept secret, rugged, sun-drenched, and completely unforgettable. Number 5. Tabernas Desert. The Tabernas Desert is Europe's only true desert, located in the province of Almeria in southern Spain. Known for its dramatic, arid landscapes, the desert features rugged hills, dry riverbeds, and wide open plains shaped by years of erosion and intense sun. This unique setting has made it a famous filming location, especially for classic Western movies directed by Sergio Leone, as well as modern films and TV series. Its resemblance to the American Wild West has turned it into a cinematic icon, with preserved film sets and themed parks that visitors can explore. Despite its harsh appearance, the desert is home to a surprising variety of plant and animal life adapted to extreme conditions. Hiking trails and guided tours allow visitors to experience its raw beauty up close. The Tabernas Desert offers a rare and fascinating landscape in Europe, combining natural wonder with cinematic history. Number 4. Oasys MiniHollywood. Oasys MiniHollywood is a unique theme park set in the heart of the Tabernas Desert, famous for its connection to classic Western films. Originally built as a movie set in the 1960s, it was used in iconic spaghetti westerns directed by Sergio Leone. Today, it has been transformed into a fun and immersive attraction. Visitors can walk through a recreated Wild West town, complete with saloons, a sheriff's office, and dusty streets where cowboy shows live and staged gunfights bring the setting to life. The park also features a zoo with animals from different continents, swimming pools for cooling off, and various exhibitions. Surrounded by the desert's dramatic landscape, Oasys MiniHollywood offers a mix of entertainment, history, and adventure. It's a great destination for families and film lovers, providing a chance to step into a real movie set and experience the spirit of the Old West in southern Spain. Number 3. Mojácar. Mojácar is a picturesque, whitewashed village perched on a hilltop overlooking the Mediterranean Sea in southern Spain. Known for its narrow, winding streets, bright white houses, and stunning coastal views, Mojácar perfectly captures the charm of traditional Andalusian towns. The village is divided into two parts: Mojácar Pueblo, the historic old town filled with cobbled alleys, artisan shops, and scenic viewpoints, and Mojácar Playa, a lively coastal area with beaches, restaurants, and nightlife. From the hilltop, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the sea and surrounding mountains. Rich in history, Mojácar reflects influences from Moorish times, which can be seen in its architecture and layout. Whether exploring its quiet streets, relaxing by the beach, or enjoying local cuisine, Mojácar offers a beautiful blend of culture, history, and seaside relaxation. Number 2. Playa de los Muertos. Playa de los Muertos is one of the most stunning and unspoiled beaches in southern Spain, located within the Cabo de Gata-Níjar Natural Park. Known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and dramatic rocky surroundings, it offers a wild and untouched coastal experience. The beach is characterized by its long stretch of white pebbles and deep, transparent sea, making it a favorite spot for swimming and snorkeling. Steep cliffs frame the coastline, creating a striking contrast with the vibrant blue water. Reaching Playa de los Muertos requires a short but moderately challenging hike downhill, which adds to its secluded and peaceful atmosphere. With minimal facilities, it remains largely natural and less crowded than other beaches. Its raw beauty and tranquil setting make it one of the most breathtaking coastal destinations in Spain. Number 1. Museum of Almeria. Museum of Almeria is a modern and engaging museum that offers a deep dive into the rich history and archaeology of the region. Located in the city of Almeria, it showcases the cultural evolution of southeastern Spain from prehistoric times to the Islamic period. The museum is especially known for its fascinating exhibits on prehistoric settlements, including artifacts from the Los Millares and El Argar cultures, two of the most important early civilizations in the Iberian Peninsula. Displays include tools, pottery, burial items, and reconstructions that help bring ancient life to life. With interactive exhibits and a clear, well-organized layout, the museum is accessible and informative for all visitors. Its contemporary design contrasts beautifully with the ancient history it presents. The Museum of Almeria is a must-visit for anyone interested in archaeology, history, and understanding the roots of the region.